Hello everyone. Let's find out how to connect EasyJobs portal within your WordPress website using the plugin. First, go to the Plugins tab in the left side panel of your WordPress admin dashboard. Next, hit the Add New Plugin button at the top. In the search bar, type in EasyJobs to find the plugin. Click the Install Now button beside EasyJobs plugin once it appears in the search results. Then, hit the Activate button to activate the plugin. Moving on to the plugins dashboard, click on the Get Started button. Now, sign into your EasyJobs account or create a new one using your credentials. You can also sign in with the Connect via API option. So, let us find out how to collect the API key for connecting EasyJobs with the WordPress website. Sign into your EasyJobs account from a web browser. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings option in the left side panel. Next, select the Others option from Settings. Under the Integration tab, click on the Configure button beside WordPress in the list of integrations. In the following window, hit the Generate API Key button. Then, enter an API key label and click on the Generate button. Once the API key is generated, just click on the key to copy it. We will now go back to the Sign In screen of EasyJobs plugin in your WordPress admin dashboard. Paste the collected API key in the corresponding field. Next, hit the Connect button. That's it. Your EasyJobs profile will now be connected to your WordPress website successfully. This is how easily you can connect EasyJobs with your WordPress website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy recruiting!